The New York Post reported that 48% of Americans thought there were too many fitness routines, activities, and programs. I am aware that the wealth of knowledge available on fitness might be intimidating for beginners who are looking for some basic exercises to begin with so they can make the development they want. When you are receiving conflicting recommendations regarding the exercises, routines, or programs you should enroll in at your gym to get the body you want, it may be quite difficult to make a decision. Due to the abundance of advice on what to do at the gym, I often see a large number of regular gym users who question why they aren't seeing any results and concentrate on the improper activities. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today's video, the 7 exercises you need to get jacked. Before we start the video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Number 7. Dips. Dips. We'll start by discussing dips in order to include some bodyweight workouts. Dips are an exercise that can be done in a number of locations outside of the gym since you can execute them using chairs, 2 parallel bars, or on a bench. Dips, which include an intense push-up motion with your body, are sometimes referred to as the upper body squat. The stability required to do dips will improve your chest, shoulders, triceps, core, and grip muscles. Due to these qualities, it will assist you in developing significant relative upper body strength, triceps muscle development, and enhancing your bench press. There are several dip variants that, depending on how you position your body, will either focus the chest and triceps more or less. Regardless of the chest or triceps dip variant you choose, you should start adding weight after you can complete a few sets of 8 to 10 repetitions. Number 6. Bench press. Bench press variations should be a mainstay of your exercise program. I'll go through some of the distinctions between flat bench and incline bench exercises, as well as utilizing dumbbells or barbells. The flat bench press primarily targets your chest, triceps, and some shoulders, whereas the incline bench press focuses more on your shoulders because you are on an incline when you perform it, which will, in comparison, require less effort or energy from your triceps. Both are excellent alternatives for individuals just starting out. Personally, I like the emphasis the incline bench press places on your upper chest and shoulders since it frees you up to concentrate on focusing on your triceps via other movements. Depending on what you want to achieve, bench pressing with barbells or dumbbells will differ. You can lift a lot more weight with a barbell bench press than you can with dumbbells, which results in bigger strength improvements since you can raise the load more. Number 5. Overhead press. One of my favorites is the last exercise that will be covered here to increase strength and muscle. To me, the overhead press is regarded as the supreme exercise for the upper body. Out of all the upper body exercises previously discussed, pushing a barbell over your head while stabilizing your body calls for the greatest upper body strength since it may be risky for most people. As I indicated earlier, this exercise is the king of all upper body exercises, and as you will soon discover when you do it for yourself, it doesn't need a lot of weight to be highly effective. This also greatly aids in developing proper form for this exercise, as you must maintain a decent stance with your feet shoulder width apart and maintain proper alignment throughout the exercise. Number 4. Squats. Squats complete the set of 3 complex exercises that need a lot of weight. Squats are a dynamic, full-body exercise that emphasizes your lower body much more than your upper body while using multiple muscles in both areas to be completed. Your quadriceps, gluteus maximus, hamstrings, hips, and calves are the main muscles that squats target. Squats exercise your lower body as well as your core muscles throughout the activity. This comprises both the obliques, which help you maintain your balance, and your major core, popularly known as the six-pack. An excellent alternative to the back squat, which puts a lot of strain on your lower back, is the front squat. Your upper back and core will be substantially more challenged since the weight is now in front of you rather than behind. Your core muscles must work really hard since it necessitates far more stability and causes you to stand up straight. As a result of the front squat's reduced weight capacity compared to the back squat, emphasis is placed more on perfecting the technique. The Bulgarian split squat is the last squat variant you should combine it with. You carry out this exercise by raising one leg off the bench, which leads to instability and broadens the exercise's range of motion. Because of this, the Bulgarian split squat makes you balance, which works some of the hips and quadriceps' smaller stabilizing muscles. Number 3. Pull-ups/chin UPS. Pull-ups and chin-ups will be the next exercise in our body weight category. Without a doubt, pull-ups and chin-ups are among the best upper body workouts you can perform. Both engage the muscles in somewhat different ways, so let's start with pull-ups. In contrast to chin-ups, which also target the upper back but put more of an emphasis on the biceps with the supinated grip used to do the exercise, pull-ups are performed with your palms facing outward and have a stronger focus on your upper back. Pull-ups need a different grip than chin-ups, which makes them harder on your shoulder stability and mobility. Both of these exercises will significantly improve your grip strength and core stability, which will transfer to all of the exercises previously described in this video. As you start to get used to the regular versions of pull-ups and chin-ups, there are a ton of variations you guys can do on your own. However, I'll focus on you guys doing the same with dips and adding weight to the workout once you can do about 8 to 10 reps in a set for each exercise. Number 2. Hanging knee raises. Start here. Hanging knee raises are the last bodyweight exercise that will be covered as one of the essential 7 exercises for developing strength and muscle. A common core exercise that works the whole core as well as the lower abs is hanging knee raises. Additionally, it is another exercise that can strengthen your grip and help you develop stronger forearms. In other exercises and motions, such as heavier lifts that call for bracing, like squats or deadlifts, the stability needed to maintain perfect form and control during the hanging knee raise is transferable. An excellent workout to start developing your core is hanging knee raises. You should keep advancing as you get more comfortable with knee rises until you can do hanging leg raises, which are harder. You may even advance from there and do windshield wipers at the peak of those hanging leg lifts. When you are able to do hanging leg lifts, your core should be quite strong. Number 1. Deadlifts. One of the most effective workouts for your posterior chain, or the rear part of your body, is the deadlift. Your hamstrings, glutes, back, and core will mostly be worked out by deadlifts. With its capacity to have such a wide range of effects, deadlifts are an activity that enables you to place a very large weight on your body, which will encourage muscular development and strength throughout the body. Due to the engagement of several lower body muscles and the entire body motion involved in the exercise, they are particularly helpful in increasing functional strength. Additionally, the lower back concentration in this exercise helps to maintain proper posture by keeping your shoulders, spine, and hips in place. Increasing your grip power will also be very beneficial since it will become more important when the weight is added. To ensure that you can hold on for long enough throughout many of the other exercises you will do, it will be beneficial to build up your grip strength. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.